All welcome back, and today I am here with a sale haul from Reverie Box. So Reverie Box had this Black Friday sale, and I took an opportunity to purchase few products because it was like 50% off, and few were like buy one get one, and so I thought I'll buy them. And I have got two boxes, in two boxes this little tone out. They've sent products in this box and this box, so we'll see what all I've picked up. And I really like this anniversary edition box. Last time when I got this box it was torn, but this time the condition of this box is really nice and this box is torn off. But nevertheless, let me see what we have. So this was the anniversary special limited edition box, and this really nice. I can store something in it. When I open it, I have some message here. It says, I would like to thank you for believing in our curation and services, making our business thrive in the market. And they say, allow us to express our gratitude for having as one of our loyal customers of Reverie, and that's really impressive that they have sent this card. And I'll see what all I've picked up. So I have products in this box and I have products in this box. So the first thing what I picked up is this Vanavidhi's Thai coconut spa face wash, and I already used bottles of this. I really love this face wash. It's really nice. This is coconut natural face wash, and this spa Thai traditions. It's of 100 ml product, 1+1. So I purchased this one, and I've got another face wash free. And I see the expiry date is coming soon, so it is manufactured in 2016 September, best before 18 months. So we have couple of months left, and before that I have to finish it, but still I've got 1+1, and I think that's a good deal to get. And also it was on discount on the MRP. So these are the first things what I've picked up, and trust me, I really love this face wash. Next thing I picked up is this Saint Pure Thai Lemon Face Foot Cream, and the other one is this Vanavidhi Thai Lemongrass Foot Scrub. So this was actually a combo, so it was already on discount, and plus it was on 1+1, so I thought I'll pick this up. And I have not used it. I was always eyeing to try these products, the food range, but it was very expensive, so I've never tried it for 1 year, and now it was offer as well 1+1, so I've picked up. So I bought these two. I've got these two as free. It smells really nice. So this is the foot cream. So all Saint Pure products are natural, organic, animal test, free from paraben, silicone, sulfate. So yeah, I really trust this brand because I've used many products of this brand. I picked up this Varshavan wild flaxseed repair oil, wild weeds flaxseed repair oil. This is of 30 ml, and this is have the bottle is. It comes in this dark colored bottle with the dropper. It's 100% cruelty free, natural, pure, veg, vegan, and this actually helps you to clear blemishes, reduce acne, as well as repair darkened and pigmented skin. And another advantage of this oil is it helps in reducing dark circles and brightening the eye area. And I wanted this to try for my pigmented and dark skin, and also under dark circles. It also gives all the details on how to use it. If you want, you can do patch test. And the expiry date of this is still 2019 June, so that's something nice. Yeah, that's the next product what I picked up from the sale. Next thing I picked up from the Varshavan again is this Rainforest Avocado Beauty Oil. This is of 30 ml product, and this is similar to the same, but the label is little different. Organic cold pressed beauty oil. This is avocado one, and this actually is derived from avocado fruit. It has most of the vitamins and nutrients. So this one is actually helpful to make your skin firm, smooth and rejuvenated, especially for the anti-aging purpose. So yeah, I want to try this, and it was also in offer, so I thought I have to pick it up. And this is the next thing I picked up, and I picked up most of the oils because it's winter and I use more. Next thing is this one which I've been eyeing from longest time now. This is the Varshavan Moroccan Argan 24 karat gold beauty oil. This is of 30 ml, and let me open it. I don't see any info card for this, so I might have to reach out to the brand to know the details, but this is it. It was really expensive and it was in good deal. So they say it has real gold infused in it. I don't say because it's very dark in color, so but I've heard a lot about it, so I picked up this one. And the next thing I picked up is this Ma Earth Botanicals Rose Facial Scrub. And I love this scrub. I got in one of the Reverie box itself, so I want to pick it again. This is for 275, but I've got in discount. So this is how the scrub is. It has this, powdered consistency. You have to mix it with water or milk and then use it as face scrub. The next two things I picked up are from Roots and Herbs. So this is a toner. This is the hydrating Kashmiri Kesar toner. I already have used one of these, few of these Roots and Herbs products. They are, natural, organic, made in India. They are a little expensive, but they actually are free from so many bad things, bad chemicals. So I really, like this toner. I've already emptied one bottle. So this is a toner purifying rosemary, and the next one is this Kashmiri toner. So I've picked these two toners because I've been using a lot of toners nowadays in my skincare. So these are the two toners I've picked up. The next thing I bought is this in this pouch of Vana. So this is a Vana face mask. This is of rice and Moroccan argan infused face mask. This is of 150 grams, and this is really big tub of the bottle. And this one was also very expensive. It's from Saint Pure, and this is of 2,500 rupees. But I've gotten major huge discount. I think it was like 50% off, something like that. And luckily the expiry is in 2018 October. So I have time to use this mask, and everything is written here, and it comes in this kind of packaging. It's a big tub, so it's kind of clay mask, I guess. So this is how the face mask is. These are all I have picked up, but apart from that I've got few gifts. So the first thing I see is this neemly tinted lip balm, which is 100% natural, and this is how the lip balm shade is, brown in color. And the next thing I got is this, I think it's a kajal, yeah. So this is a Neve sesame oil kajal. This is for dark smoky eyes, and these two I got it free. So it's like 150 and then 150. I don't know what is this, but I've got these two as gifts, so it's really nice. I've got goodies also with it. They have sent this Clave 500 off voucher in clave.com. We can use this code and get 500 off on any purchase. These are all the products I picked up from their Reverie Box Black Friday sale, and I'm really excited about to try all these products because they were really expensive and I've gotten huge discount and offers. So I really like the sale, and I would it's really nice. I mean, I'm really happy with the purchase and the gifts I've got. So yeah, thanks all for watching this video. And if you want to buy Reverie Box December edition, I will also put the link down, so you can go and check that box, and you have good products like 3,500 above products for just 1549. So you can go and get the box. And yeah, thanks all. If you want me to review any specific product, please do let me know in the comment down below. And thanks all for watching this video. If you like this video, you have to like that video, and also don't forget to hit that like subscribe button. Thanks all. Talk to you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.